If you need fast, easy, and reliable access to the Base blockchain with a quality service, then Blockdaemon may be the right solution for you. You can use Blockdaemon's API platform to query Base blockchain data and broadcast transactions within the Base network. Blockdaemon's API is extremely useful as you get instant access to Base protocol endpoints across both Base, Mainnet, and Testnet without needing to operate or manage your own nodes. The good news is that you can get started with the Blockdaemon API today for free by logging into app.blockdaemon.com and clicking API Suite in the left-hand menu. From here, you can get free access for a limited period of time. Click Create API Key and enter the name you'd like. You'll see your new API key appear on screen. Now, scroll down the page to get started by choosing Base and Native. Below, you'll have access to our high-quality developer documentation, designed to get you up and running with the Blockdaemon API as soon as possible, as well as a curl command that would help you to call the API. Let's explore a simple use case of how you'd retrieve your Base wallet balance using the Blockdaemon API. To do this, I'll open my Coinbase wallet and navigate to Testnet. As you can see on the screen, I have 1.45 girly Base ETH Testnet tokens in my wallet. To confirm this balance using the Blockdaemon API, I'll head over to our high-quality developer documentation, which can be found as a link in the Blockdaemon app. I'll open this in a new window, select Base under Native or PC API, and click Supported Base Methods. Here, we see the call to return a balance of an account of a given address. You'll also see an example of the API request listed below. I'll adjust the parameters of this request with my own API key and wallet address details. I'll then make a call via curl in my Mac terminal, which will return a hexadecimal representing my account balance in WEI. When we convert this from WEI to ETH, we can see that the correct balance of 1.45 is returned. While this example covers the Base testnet, the Blockdaemon API supports both Base, Testnet, and Mainnet. Of course, if you have requirements beyond the free tier, our starter or enterprise plans may be the best option for you. The Blockdaemon starter tier helps you grow your business with access to higher usage, scalability, and support. This tier is used by trading desks and digital asset investment platforms. At $199 per month, you get seamless access to over 20 protocols. The starter tier helps you grow your business with access to higher usage, scalability, and support. The top tier is our Blockdaemon API Enterprise tier, which has custom pricing for the fastest access to battle-tested node infrastructure across multiple protocols at once. This is used by the world's largest exchanges, banks, custodians, and non-crypto native tech companies. So now that you've learned a bit more about the Blockdaemon API, I invite you to visit app.blockdaemon.com to get easy access to the Base blockchain, powered by Blockdaemon.